Hi, I'm Duncan from 6.5 and today we're going to look at Google Analytics. So I just had a customer question that said, hey, I think my analytics is broken and it's not working properly. So I'm going to show you quickly how to debug that and make sure that your analytics is working without actually looking at Google Analytics. So this is the site we're having a look at, and at this point, I don't know. I can't see anything. I don't know if anything is actually happening on this site at all. There are a couple of things you can do which are a bit nerdy, but I'm not going to show you those. I'm going to show you the really easy way of figuring out if analytics or whatever other tags are installed on that page. So in this second tab, I'm just going to look up the Google Tag Assistant for Google Chrome. So I'm using the Google Chrome browser, which means that I can install this little widget, and it will appear once I click the install button in my toolbar up over here. So you can see it says remove from Chrome, which means it's nicely installed. And this is the button up here in the top right, the little smiley face with the on the little tag. So what I'm going to do is going to go to the site that I want to look at. I'm going to click that and I'm going to click on enable. And as you can see, what it says, it will analyze the pages on the current tab, and I want to see what's going on, so just please hit reload. So let's go over there, let's hit reload. Okay, now the site's going to load, and our little blue-faced friend over here is going to do a bit of work on the site and see what he can find. Alright, and we've just got to wait for the site to finish loading. So the little curly round thing has finished loading, and this is what it says. There's actually nothing there. Okay, so we're going to have to go fix that, and I'll give you another little video in the next round which will show you how to install analytics on WordPress.